Hi everyone, it's Deborah and I'm going to show you one of my favorite tricks today, and it's how to remove our matte vinyl with copier paper. So we're going to make a 4-layer image first. And it's going to be a little dog. I'm going to do this real quickly because I want to get to the good. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. So this is the bottom layer, and like I said, it's just our matte vinyl. So it only has to press for about 3 or 4 seconds. It's a warm or cold peel. Our matte is my favorite because it's so easy to use. My heat is at 315, and like I said, I'm pressing it for about 3 seconds. All right, here's the image. Just a little dog, 4 layers of our matte vinyl. But let's say that I want to take that off. I'm going to use plain copier paper. This is what you put in your printer. We're going to lay it on top of here. And I'm going to increase my pressure slightly so it's firmer. And I'm going to leave this on for about 30 seconds because I want to be sure that the heat goes all the way through all the layers. Watch this. Magical, right? It took up all of the vinyl and put it on the paper. Remember, this was your bottom layer. Pretty amazing, right, guys? Thanks. Bye. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.